Facebook, Instagram, lead generation. Contractors are looking for other ways to lead generation. How do I get inside those gated communities? You obviously understand the storm model. But you don't chase it like the storm guys. And you built up your roofing company more like a retail player. You're really focused on BBB, Angie's List, going out and doing the estimates, actually providing estimates to the consumer, which is absolutely opposite of everything when I got into this industry, which is your traditional storm model.
What I didn't like about that model is you don't have a lot of leverage to keep your guys. Like I didn't like the revolving door because like with me, for example, when you have your own leads, when you have a brand, now you have a leverage. You know, sales guys comes to me all the time and they love working for me because they know they'll have 2-3 appointments a day. If your company not on the Angie's List right now, what you do is you jump on Angie's List, you create a free profile, upload your pictures, maximize everything possible.
So the same thing with BBB, you get some video content, you get some profile up.
Anything.
Killer profile?
Absolutely.
And you can do that for, the guys who watch this right now can do that for free.
So they pay $180, but they actually have $200 credit. So what's happening is, as a consumer, you come and you shop around. So you purchase it, but you already become a client. You purchase the deal from them, they come to you, you already swiped your card.
Man, people spend, I think the average is 20 to 30 minutes on a day on Facebook.
Oh, at least, yeah.
And so it's a billboard that contractors, I think any entrepreneur in any industry is going to have to learn how to take advantage of to grow their business.
Knocking, telemarketing, those things are great. The online world is a new opportunity to generate an additional flow, additional channel to generate quality leads.
So what the heck is a funnel?
This is an old advertising strategy that's been around for decades. Our job as the advertiser is to capture that lead, or as the business owner, capture that lead and convert it, right? So they're already aware they have a problem, they might need a solution, and we want them to take action. You want to get the biggest bang for your buck, you want to get ROI, you want to make sure that the money that you're investing is going to come back to you. These contractors, these companies are paying Google every time someone clicks on their ad.
Then I assume when they click, they're going to some kind of landing page.
They're going to a landing page.
What we did is we generated a Facebook ad about a week ago, and we're already getting 5 to 10 inspections a week. So we actually targeted a radius of what, 10 miles?
10-mile radius of your specific address. We pop that pin in there, the 10-mile radius, high-end, gated.
The neighbors are looking at this ad, it's popping up on their Facebook feeds. They can actually go drive to the house and see the new roof going on, so they know it's the real deal. It's localized. Some of you guys are paying $100 a lead for telemarketing. We're paying $20 a day, and we already got 5 inspections in the first week, and that's going to build some traction as time goes on. Guys love the file vault, which is loaded with all kinds of things like discontinued letters, spec sheets, estimating templates and macros and all kinds of stuff.